Just why are leaky fork seals so bad? Well, there's a lot of reasons. The biggest reason is probably that your suspension isn't going to work properly. Suspension has a happy spot. It's got a nice little fun zone where it operates just where it should. If it's too far on one extreme or the other, it doesn't operate the way it should. Well, there's some other after effects from a bad fork seal that can be pretty bad in safety concerns. And the biggest one on this bike is the simple fact that over time, all this fork oil that's gotten up here in this fork tube here has just drained down the back of the fork leg and, well, you know, right onto these brakes here. And then all that wind comes right up in here, blows all of that fork oil right up inside that caliper, and then all over your brakes. And what does oil do? Well, oil, it makes things have less friction, you know? Well, and brakes kind of need friction specifically to stop. So I would say one of the most important reasons to change your fork seals is just so you can stop. That's been your Moto Minute. I'm out of here. Hi guys, thanks for watching the Moto Minute with Moto Medic. My name's Jason. Hit the subscribe button and keep an eye on all of this stuff. If you've got something that you want to see or any questions on anything that you have seen, leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Have a great one. Keep it on two wheels.